As summer heats up, explore foods that delight taste buds and keep you cool. Watermelon, with its hydration and sun protection nutrients, is a summer must-have. Muskmelon's sweetness and hydration benefits make it a perfect summer fruit. Refreshing buttermilk, enhanced with herbs, aids digestion and replenishes electrolytes. Curd yogurt, rich in probiotics, boosts gut health and immunity in various dishes. Sugarcane juice, a natural energizer, refreshes and hydrates with its antioxidants. Mangoes indulge your sweet cravings while offering health benefits like improved digestion. Cucumbers and coconut water provide hydrating, nutrient-rich options for summer snacking. Fresh fruits and vegetables offer essential vitamins and minerals for overall health. Lemon and fruit juices keep you hydrated and vitamin-rich with their tangy flavors. Summer's bounty of fruits, from berries to stone fruits, offers hydration and health.